Welcome to the new video. In this video, I show you how to design small power. Here for bedroom, 113 ampere twin socket, 113 ampere single socket, and a USB socket installed. For living room, one single 13 ampere socket is installed for optical network unit. In kitchen, a single socket with DP switch for a refrigerator, a single socket with DP switch for oven, and one for electric cooker. Two FCU is installed in kitchen and living room area. This is the final layout. Next video, I show how to make circuiting for these lighting and small power.